Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to integrate Webflow with Google Search Console. So, first of all, you need to verify that your Webflow site in Google Search Console to access indexing status, search performance data, and crowd error reports. The HTML tag verification method is recommended for Webflow sites and doesn't require DNS changes. So how do we do that? Now, first of all, we need to verify site ownership. Complete verification by adding your verification ID to the Webflow site settings. So, first of all, open the Google Search Console and add the new property using URL prefix type. Then select HTML tag verification method. And third thing is to copy only the alphanumeric verification ID from the content attribute, not the entire meta tag. In Webflow, navigate to the site settings into SEO or SEO and then paste the ID in the Google Site Verification field. Save and publish your site. Critical changes only take effect after publishing. Then return to Search Console and click Verify. Submit only your custom domain to Search Console, not your webflow.io staging domain, and then set canonical URLs in site settings SEO to prevent duplicated content issues. Then you have to submit your sitemap. Go the same thing, site settings SEO, toggle auto-generate sitemap to yes, and then publish your site. Your sitemap is available at https://yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. In Search Console, open sitemaps, enter sitemap.xml, and click submit. Webflow automatically adds your sitemap URL to robot.txt and update the sitemap whenever you publish. Google typically processes the sitemaps within one server day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can integrate Google Search Console with Webflow. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming videos.